Come test drive the 2016 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.